This is what you get in the Eufy E330 eufyCam 4-camera set, professional camera right here, the E330. So the E330 allows you 24/7 recording. That's what's unique about them. And in order to achieve 24/7 recording, you have to have hard power wires. That way you have continuous power and they don't run out of power. So each of the cameras, this is what the camera looks like. Eufy 4K. With a little light at the top and the 4K sensor, you have your mounting adapter right there, and you have a cable that provides power. And the cable will route through here, and when you install it, the cable has a way to kind of go down and just snug away really nicely. So that is a 4K camera right there. And you got all the mounting hardware you need. So each of this is for each camera to be mounted. You have some zip ties and some stickies that attach to the wall to mount your wires. You got these 4 pieces over here. Then you got your power adapter and your Ethernet cable. What's that for? Well, that's because it also comes with the Homebase 3. The Bionic Mind AI, this is where you store all the data from here. Very powerful unit right here. And of course, you have the power adapters. Each of the power adapters are for each camera. These cameras will connect right here to the power adapter, and you see, once you close it, you have a nice tight seal right there. And if you use this right here, an even more watertight seal. Just like this, put that there, and then push this one over here, and look, when you close this together, now you have a real good watertight seal, and it actually holds it together really well. So there we go. That's why you have these 4 for connection. And you got the 4 power adapters, and you have an extension cable for a camera you want to attach that's really far. So super long extension cable included as well. So there we go, guys. That is what you get in the 24/7 eufyCam E330 eufyCam set right here, 4-camera set. Let's go. Oh yeah.